Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for tuning in. My name is Dimma and I'm a Nigerian living in Lagos, Nigeria. I always like to say this in some of my videos because some people actually don't know that I live on the African continent or that I live in Nigeria. So I like to clear this up, especially in videos where I feel like I'm gonna get questions or get people assuming that I live in the States or something. I live in Nigeria. So this is going to be my very first fashion haul. I've never done one of these before here on this channel. So this is my first one. And everything that I'm going to be showing you guys in this haul is from a website called Zaful. I know that a lot of you are probably familiar with Zaful. They are a Chinese clothing website and they sell really affordable shoes, bags, clothing and accessories. I am not going to lie, I was really skeptical when they contacted me because I had seen some not so good reviews on Zaful here on YouTube. However, I was also really excited to try out their stuff myself because they deliver to Nigeria and not a lot of websites deliver to Nigeria and their clothes are really affordable. So I was like, if the things that I order, if they are nice, I will gladly show them to you guys so that those of you who are on a budget will just order from Zaful and have them delivered to you here in Nigeria because they have some really cute things on their website. So most of the items came in a bag like this, like, you know, a bag that has Zaful on it, and some of them came in bags that don't have Zaful on them. But then this is how most of everything in my order was packaged, and I liked most of the things that I received. My order was delivered via DHL, so it came in this, you know, normal DHL yellow red packaging, and I'm going to start with the top that I'm wearing now because this is from Zaful and this is what it looks like on the website here. I'm going to have that here and this is what it looks like on. Okay, it is sold as a dress on their website. However, for someone my height, I'm 5'10", so I'm on the tall side. This is way too short to be a dress. So I ordered it because I wanted to pair it with maybe shorts or skirts. I really like the quality of the embroidery that it has on it, and I just like the overall fit of this. The style is so me. One thing that I would strongly recommend though, if you're ordering from Zaful and most Chinese websites, is to is to pay very close attention to the size guide they provide, you know, around, maybe depending on what browser you're using. If you're on like a desktop, they are usually by the right hand side. Pay attention to the size guidelines that they provide there because a Chinese large could legit be a US or UK small. Click on it and then look at the measurements. Get a tape. This is what I do when I'm ordering from websites like this. Get a tape, measure your bust, measure your waist, whatever, and look at what the measurements for a large is in those areas and use that to place your order. Use that to select a size so that you don't make any mistakes. The next thing that I have here is this gorgeous shirt. It's this gorgeous white shirt with some embroidery on the sleeves and on the front of it and then on the back as well. This is what it looks like on the website here and this is what it looks like on me. And I got this in an extra large because my shoulders are quite broad, and when it comes to like shirts that have sleeves, I tend to go with like either a large or like 2 sizes up, so that if it's something that looks like free or loose on a model, or if it's something that ideally I like it when my shirts are like really free, so I tend to go with like sizes that are not fitting. So this is an extra large that I have here and it fits really well. The only thing is just that the sleeves are a bit short for me, but I would wear this with the sleeves rolled up. I know that I could wear this so many ways. I could wear this especially with a pair of jeans. This looks so gorgeous on blue denim. I'm telling you guys, I really love this shirt. So the next thing that I have is this sweater here, and this is actually one of my least favorite things from this entire haul. I think this is the only thing that I didn't like, and the only reason that I did not like it is that I didn't like the way that it fit me. It was too small. It comes in just one size, so it's not like I had the option of choosing like a small, medium, large. It just came in one size, and I was just hoping that it would fit a little bit more loose on me. And it's also really important to note that this is not a thick sweater. I live in Nigeria where the weather never really gets that cold. However, for someone who lives in the UK or in the US or in parts of the world where you guys actually have winter, this is not something that you would want to get for winter. Maybe for autumn when the weather has started cooling a bit, but you can't wear this during the winter. It's not that thick. Okay, it's not that thick. So the next thing that I have is this gorgeous bodycon. I'll call this burgundy, but then it's called like a wine red on the website. this only comes in one size, so I was really worried that this might not fit me, that it will be a little bit too small, but it wasn't actually small. It fit me well. It's really stretchy, but then I don't see it stretching all the way for someone who is maybe a size 16, 18, 14. Maybe a 14 can actually wear this, but maybe 16, 18, I don't think so. And it's really weird that some of these things just come in one size. I think that this is probably ideal for someone who is maybe like from a size small to medium, regular size small to medium. I like the cuts that it has, like the neckline. I really like the whole kind of square thing going on. I really like this dress. The next thing that I have here is this mini skirt here. It's their faux suede. I don't know if that pronunciation was right, but you know. This comes in a very thick material. For some weird reason, I wasn't expecting it to be this thick. I wasn't expecting it to be this thick, and the pockets actually are actual pockets. For some weird reason, I was also just expecting this to be a design on the skirt. I didn't expect them to be actual pockets. So I got this in a size large, and I think that the fitting is really great because I used the measurements that they provided in the size guide, and that was how, because normally I would get a small to medium in a skirt. So with the size guide, with the measurements that they provided, I was more of a large than anything else. Another thing that I got is this white t-shirt with a bold graphic design in front of it. I really liked the picture that it had on it, and that was the reason why I added this to my order. The one thing that I did not expect with this was like how much it stretches. This is really stretchy. It is more stretchy than your regular white t-shirt. I got this in a size large, which is the largest that it comes in, because I don't like it when my t-shirts are snug. I really like it when they fit loosely. On the website, I was worried that this might not look good in person, especially considering the fact that you can tell that this is a completely different material than the rest of the t-shirt, but it's not bad. I think it looks good, and it just adds to the whole vibe that the t-shirt is giving you. The last three items that I have here are dresses, and this black dress here is really short. It's short. I don't know, I wasn't expecting it to be this short. The material itself also like causes the dress to hike up a lot, and I guess maybe because I was already conscious of the length, I wasn't happy with the fact that it just kept pushing up. So it's a really good dress. I really like the style of it. I like the fitting of it. However, it was just too short for me, so I'm going to give this to one of my small sisters. And then it's also see-through. So if you're wearing this, please just know that it's see-through, and maybe just wear it with some black tights or nude lingerie or black something, I don't know, but just know that this is see-through. The next thing is this two-piece set. So it's like a crop top and a high-waisted skirt with a belt. This is what it looks like on the website here, and this is what it looks like with it on. This is actually a nice set. I like it a lot. I like the fact that the crop top is off shoulder. I like that it allows you to just adjust it in front. The only thing though to note is that this can gape a little bit in front, so just be careful when you're putting this on. I made sure that I adjusted the strings and then I tied it securely to make sure that I didn't have any space in between my boobs. I got this in a size large, and the top fit well. However, the skirt was a little bit too big. You guys can see that it's big. The only thing that was keeping this skirt in place was the belt. This belt that it comes with here, it just helped me secure it around my waist so that I could show it to you guys. I'm going to take this to my tailor to just take it in a little bit on the waist. The last item of clothing that I have here is this dress. This is hands down my favorite thing from this haul. I really like this dress. I love the fit of it. I love how free it is. I've just been getting into like long flowy skirts, long maxi dresses, and the neck is quite low. However, you can actually secure the dress when you're tying the belt to make sure that like the neckline kind of reduces the sleeve, the cut, what is it called? Yeah, the plunging neckline. You can actually reduce it with the way you tie this. So if you tie it really tight, then like, the neck really comes together. I really love this. The last thing that I have here is this brooch set, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I have one on my dress, and they're actually really good pins. Like they're not flimsy. I don't know, I really like them, and this was really affordable. It sold for about less than $5, I think, less than $5, and I really love the cute designs. I love the dog. I love the melting hat. I love it. So that's it for this video. This is everything that I got from Zafo. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to let me know if you'd like to see more hauls. more fashion hauls. I want to do hauls, not even fashion. I want to do hauls. Let me know if you guys would like me to do more hauls. Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.